this question is a nightmare for every fresher who is facing the interview. That is, you are a fresher and you don't have any experience. How can we select you? To be very frank, even this question was like a puzzle for me. I did not have any answer for this question. And many of my students came and asked me that, sir, how to answer this question? I'm sure you clicked this video, it means that you also are interested in answering this question. Again, my question, the questions that students ask me, I think about them day in and day out, and I get the answers. Of course, I don't get answers myself. I read a lot, I listen to podcasts, and I think, and then I get this answer. But my answers are logical, factual, they are evidence-based, and they are honest. And the same thing is going to happen here also. So this question, you are a fresher and how can we select you? We want someone who has at least 6 months or 1 year of experience. And usually, what we think is, okay, then I can say to them that if you don't give me a job, then how can I get the experience? And please give me a job. They will not, because, see, understand. Go to the market with your skills and not your needs. Market is a place where, job market, of course, market is a place where they just look at your skills. They just look at what you bring at the table, and they are not there for social work or sympathy or, charity. So they will not accept you because you say that you give me the chance and then I'll get the experience, because they are not that who is going to take the first risk, because hiring a fresher is a bit risky in the sense they have to teach him everything. I mean, they have to start from scratch. And how to deal with this? I have a better realistic answer. And this answer, definitely you have to, first of all, deserve this. Don't lie and just go and verbally vomit the answer because I have given this. Okay? My answer is going to help you in the long term if you really mean what you say, and if you really actually the same person you are, what you are saying. Otherwise, you may get selected, but that's not going to last forever. This is just like a flash in the pan, just temporary change, and nothing is going to change. So answer how it should be. Answer should be in this way that, yes, sir, I accept that I'm a fresher and you need experienced. But I look at the things in a different way. I look at this in a different way. I think I'm a fresher. It's a strong point rather than a weak point, because I believe that as I'm a fresher, I have a fresh perspective. I look at things in a different way. I don't look at the things like what experienced people see, the same old way of doing things. I'm not criticizing experienced people, but I feel like I can think in a different way and have a new perspective, and that will be an asset to your organization. If you give me a chance to prove myself, I can prove that though even I'm a fresher, I can bring some new things here to the table, new perspective, new ideas, more energy, more enthusiasm, more hard work here. So I think that can be an asset for your organization if you hire a fresher like me. How is this? So you understand, that's what happens actually, is when a fresher comes, he has a new perspective. Sometimes experienced people, they have the same experience and they look at these things at the same way, and they don't go and look things in a different way because they have been doing this since 5, 10, 15 years. A fresher can change this. He can make it in a different way. He can look at the things in a different way. He can solve the problems. He can have a different approach because he has no prejudiced thoughts. He is not having any baggage of 5, 10 years of doing the same things, or in short, he is not conditioned. He comes with a new view and new fresh ideas there. That's not what they want. Now, one more thing, as I said before, caveat that when you say this, definitely you should have that. And you should come there with a new idea, new vision there, something innovative. This does not mean that you have to go and get a Nobel Prize. Not, but at least the enthusiasm, the energy, the hunger to learn should be there, and it should be palpable. They should feel that. They should get it. Yes, we selected him, and though he is not experienced, but he is compensating that with his hard work, with his enthusiasm. He stays more than others. He is willing to learn from his mistakes. He tries. He has this youth energy in his overall demeanor, and it's infectious. Everyone can feel that. That kind of energy and enthusiasm and ideas you should have, even though you will not have that new innovative life world-changing ideas will not be there. I accept it, but you should compensate with these things. And definitely, why they should not select you? They will definitely select you. This is the way to handle this question. Well, what do you think about it? How is the answer? I'm not saying that this is the best possible answer, because I'm exploring. I'm looking at things in a different way. Sometimes even a youngster having a YouTube channel may have a different view. Sometimes I have my YouTube channel since many years, but I may have the same old rotten view. That's the reason why freshers are always, they should go and try. They should go. Some freshers, what they do is, oh, here 6 months of experience is needed, 1 year of experience is needed, I should not apply. And they don't apply. Don't do that. At least go and try. If you try, at least there is a 1% chance of selection after giving this answer. But if you don't apply, 0% chances of selection are there. So go and apply. 6 months, 1 year experience is needed, but 2 years experience is needed. Go and at least knock the door. It may open. Go and try and give this answer. You may get selected. Right? Our best wishes. Our best wishes for freshers. And one more thing I want to tell to all the freshers, especially. First 4 to 5 years will be struggle. Be ready for that. Okay, maybe after giving this answer, the HR will say that, no, still we can't. That's fine. That's fine. But that struggle will be there. And once you just finish that 4 to 5 years, you have a bright future. Best wishes. Goodbye. Thank you.